Hi, this is Swati Jain. I live in Gurgaon, belong to Rajasthan, a proud Indian, and I work with a multinational company with Big Four as a partner. Uh, I joined this program, so I was my weight had increased. Also, I had certain small little illnesses, particularly like stomach related issues, and I felt that these are going to be with me for lifetime. I just came to know about the course through my cousin in New York. So I joined and I found that it's a different world altogether. I could have not imagined the transformation that I went through this program, and that sometimes you think that in life you give up hope that anything can change. But this program taught me that anything and everything is possible. You just need to, number one, have a desire to do something like that, and then just believe and have faith. So it is one of the best things I have done in this year, and perhaps one of the revelations for my entire life. The program has been really life transforming. The lifestyle intelligence is an apt name for the program. When I joined, I thought that it will be another weight loss program, and I have done a few earlier. But I just loved the program, the entire way that it has been designed. Frankly speaking, I have a lot of suggestions about anything that I do, but this program I feel has been crafted so well that to even give suggestions, one has to really give a thought. The whole premise of the program, unlike any other program that I have seen, is that uh, Surbhi and Dr. Anil, they come and guide you why you are doing what. So, number one, I love the videos that are given to us before each session. It creates a ground with us. Everything is based on logic. It is not that we are just told that follow this diet and we are following without knowing what it is. Because being a logical person, I cannot but put my logical head. So I was always given my answers before itself. And there was a moment in the program where I felt that we are under the hypnosis of the trainers here. The way the program was crafted, the way we were trained, the way we were coached what to do and what not to do, that we could easily do it. Now, the physical benefits which came, some of my gas acidity issues, they were there, but and I felt that they will remain. But when I started eating the healthy diet, I realized that that is not a part and parcel of your makeup. It is just what you are eating and all that determines it. So that is one thing which was phenomenal with me. Taking certain things taught me that yes, when you are filled with nutrition, you may not feel that much hungry. Not taking certain things also taught me that those certain things are only more of cravings, which generate more cravings rather than actually doing much good to you. Personally, I saw my weight reducing, so I was happy through the course of program and definitely motivated all through. And this I would highly recommend for spiritual part to join this program, because I believe the trainer Survi here is a highly spiritual person. And what I loved about the program is that every small thing, whether it is related to your physical health or not, was spoken. I loved the giving away of excesses, the particular part of it, because I do believe that you have to mentally first be out of excess things, and then physically also you will be very unique. The way they were introduced, I realized that one week when Survi had nothing to give us, she gave us this task. So Zoom call as well as the WhatsApp group means it just elevated the level of understanding, and it was. I would just say that it was one of the best things to that I have done in my life. Overall, body, mind, and soul. So I'm pretty pleased and happy, and I would highly recommend.